Šis tas gadījums, kad mākslinieci mūzikā ieliek visu, kas viņai sakāms, un pēc tam, kad viņai jautā paskaidrot kaut ko par savu daļredi, viņi to, protams, nevar izdarīt, jo viņi to visu ieliek, kas ir mūzikā. Tas tāpat kā es Inglu Baušniekam reiz lūdzu parakstīties uz savus platus, viņš teica, es visu, ko vajadzēja, tur esmu jau uzrakstījis. Bet varbūt kādam ir vēl kaut kas jautājums.
Can you tell more about the song Aviva? Because it's kind of an interesting song. What do you mean? I mean, like, was it inspired by a real life event, or did it just pop up in your mind?
I tell the truth.
Is this true?
Yeah, it's a true story.
There's a dress with 6 arms.
No. Okay, that's true. She knows the words. No, there is no dress with 6 arms. But that's all I will say.
And will you play tonight?
Yes, we will play tonight.
It's your first time in Latvia. How do you like it?
I like this place. This is really fun. I wish I wasn't performing. I would be in my bathing suit, running around. But maybe after the show I can do that too. It looks like a really nice nature environment. I like it.
When's your new album coming out?
I have a bunch of singles that are going to come out soon, and then we'll see.
Tas ir liels notikums, pēc ka Ivetai ir piedzimis mazulis, mādā saņā. Tas ir publiski tagad paziņots. Un viss kaut kas ir izmainījies, bet vairāk vai mazāk mēs arī, domāju, varam skatīties filmu, kurai ir jābeidzas ar 3, cik es saprotu, vai ne? Jāsāk ar 3, atvainojos. Un paldies, ka atnācāt. Tur šo filmu gan laikam spēlē It's the tiniest space I ever seen this film being shown, bet es ceru, ka jūs kaut kādā veidā visu tur ietilpsiet, kas gribēs to redzēt. Varbūt lūdzu kaut ko gribēja jautāt vēl.
Gribēju teikt visiem jums nenokavēt koncertu, tas sāksies pēc 11. Tell us what band you will have on stage today.
What band?
What band? What musician?
Oh. I have 2 musicians who play with me. They make up my live version of my music, and I have an Italian, and I have a Scotsman, and I have a German sound engineer. And all together, does that answer the question? But normally my recordings I do on my own, so then I have to come up with a live interpretation, which you will witness tonight.
Do you play all the instruments in your record?
Most of them, yes. So I record on my own, and I produce on my own, and then for the live show I have to find a way to perform the song.
Paldies, tad pēc 11. koncerts un tagad laikam sāksies filma.